Yes, it is. Okay, get ready. Good job, guys.
Okay, keep pressure, passenger. Yep, here we go.
Oh, look at that movement.
Walked it like a fucking champ.
That's how you do it.
That's how you do it. Woo! That's awesome.
Gonna fall off?
That's literally burn and make it downhill.
Little pivot there, see if you're good.
Oh, yeah. Keep going, man. Yep. Keep going. Yep.
There you go.
Good.
Wiggle your wheel.
Wiggle it. Yep.
Perfect. Come by this wheel just a second.
That's perfect, Steven.
Wiggle.
That's it. You're up.
Yep.
Back up. Hey, did you get pointed out?
Hey guys, I'm out here with Marlon and we are on Coyote Canyon. We want to talk about some things that can happen even though he has our extreme duty steering system on here. His PSC ram started slipping on the trail, so he has no ram support on his tie rod. We put a 42-inch sticky, wedged it up on this wall right here, and all the pressure is going through the box and the link ends on his drag link, so we had a failure. With that kind of pressure, with a sticky tire like that, there's just nothing you can do. It shows you kind of that things work together, When this ram is working, it's taking all the pressure off of these systems so that you're not forcing them. And with a big tire like this on a set of tons,
What about a good driver like this?
and a driver like that, we test all our stuff because we say if it's marlin proof, we can send it down the trail.
Trail fix. Adding a whole bunch of rocks right here so these guys don't get body damage. It's really smart to do, huh? Marlon's idea.